18 months ago, this person was answering support tickets for $19 an hour, completely burned out. Today, artificial intelligence does most of her actual work, and she quietly keeps the difference. This is not a fantasy about getting rich overnight. These are the 10 ways regular people are actually using AI to make money in 2026. Let's call her Maya. A year and a half ago, she had a normal support job and zero side income. What she did have was 2 free hours at night, and a refusal to keep trading every one of them for the same flat paycheck. So she started small. She used free AI tools to take on tiny freelance jobs at night, rewriting product descriptions and turning rough notes into clean articles. The AI did the heavy lifting. She handled the client and the final quality check. 8 months later, that side income quietly passed her day job, and she walked away from the support desk. Here is the part that matters. Maya is not a genius, and she is not lucky. She just picked one method that pays and stuck with it. This is not one lucky story. Look across thousands of ordinary people doing this right now, and the same short list of methods keeps showing up. The tools are public. The skills are learnable in a single weekend. So forget the accounts selling you a dream. These are the 10 AI income methods actually paying real people in 2026, ranked roughly from the easiest to start to the most lucrative once it clicks. We'll go through all 10 fast, then stay to the end, because there is one hidden pattern that quietly decides who actually makes money with these, and who just collects tools and quits. Number 1. Faceless YouTube channels built entirely with AI. AI writes the script, an AI voice narrates it, and stock footage fills the screen. No camera, no face. Pick one narrow topic, post consistently, and add revenue plus affiliate links can grow into a few hundred to a few $1,000s a month once a channel catches. Number 2. Selling AI-assisted services on freelance marketplaces. On sites like Fiverr and Upwork, people pay for finished work, not for tools. Use AI to deliver writing, editing, or design faster than anyone doing it by hand. Beginners often charge $20 to $100 a job, then raise prices as reviews come in. Number 3. Packaging and selling AI prompts. If you get good at making AI produce a specific result, that recipe has value. People sell prompt packs and templates on marketplaces and on Gumroad for a few dollars each. Small per sale, but it is a digital product you build one time and sell forever. Number 4. AI-assisted niche and affiliate websites. Use AI to draft genuinely helpful articles around a narrow topic, then earn through ads and affiliate links when people search and click. It is slow to start and rewards patience, but a single ranking site can pay quietly for years with almost no ongoing work. Number 5. AI-built digital products. Think planners, templates, workbooks, and short ebooks. AI helps you design and write them in hours instead of weeks. You list them once on Etsy or Gumroad, and each sale is almost pure profit, because there is nothing to ship and nothing to restock. Number 6. Tiny, AI-powered software tools. With AI helping you write the code, one person can now build a small, focused app that solves one annoying problem and charge a monthly fee for it. Most stay small on purpose. A few hundred subscribers at $10 a month is a real, quiet business. Number 7. AI design for print on demand. Use AI image tools to create designs for shirts, mugs, and posters, then upload them to print-on-demand sites that handle the printing and shipping for you. You never touch inventory. You earn a cut every single time one of your designs sells. Number 8. Running social media content for small businesses. Local businesses need a steady stream of posts and captions, and most owners quietly hate making them. Use AI to produce a month of content in one afternoon, and charge a monthly retainer to manage it. A handful of small clients adds up fast. Number 9. Building AI chatbots and automations for businesses. Set up an AI assistant that answers customer questions, or automate a tedious workflow for a company. You charge a setup fee, plus a monthly retainer to keep it running. This is one of the highest paying methods, because you are selling something every business wants, time saved. Number 10. AI voiceover, dubbing, and translation services. Creators and companies need narration, dubbing, and translated versions of their videos. AI voice tools let you deliver clean audio in many languages in minutes. You sell the finished, polished result. The buyer never sees how fast the tool actually made it. Here is the pattern that decides everything. The people who make money do not chase the newest tool. They pick one specific buyer, sell that buyer a clear outcome, and use AI only to deliver it faster. The people who fail just keep collecting tools. So the move is simple, even if it is not easy. Pick exactly one of these 10. Give it 90 honest days. Sell to one type of person, and let AI handle the boring middle. One method, done consistently, beats 10 started and quit. If you want the no-hype version of using AI to make money, subscribe to Moth Money. This is informational content, not financial advice, and results are never typical or guaranteed. Now pick your one method and start tonight.